Yes, check it out, butthead. Check out that cool Camaro. Yeah, that's not a Camaro, dumbass. Uh, that's a Mustang. Yeah. Sorry about that. My bad. Thank you, drive through.
Hey guys, real quick, before we get on with this awesome content, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this kind of stuff, please let me know. You can probably see what's going on here in the back. Don't pay any attention to the video being processed. Hit that like button. Subscribe, please. That way we can have a bunch of annoying ads in here and I can start making money and be the next Vice Grip Garage or whoever or whatever. Casey Neistat. Bam! I'll get me some drones and we'll have some cool drone footage and whatever. Anyways, please, please, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, tell me I'm dumb, tell me it looks great, tell me whatever you want to tell me. Tell me your life sucks. I don't care. Please just do all that and on with the video. Okay, the time has come, finally. Months ago, I painted the front half of my Corvair, and the reason for that was basically that's all the paint that I had, and that was all the paint that I could find. They were really running short on the yellow that I wanted, and instead of just being intelligent, I decided I'll just keep painting until I run out of paint. Well, that basically got to the doors. So I've been driving around looking dumb for the last few months, and finally ready to get the whole thing painted one color. However, it's 1965, okay? I'm using rustoleum spray paint, so I don't care what you do. You can tell me you can make it look good, and you can. I have in the past made it look okay. But see, this isn't just like a normal car that's just gonna, most of the time when you're doing like a rattle can paint job, it's gonna be on something that really isn't turning too many heads. It's just, okay, there's car paint on it. You're not even paying any attention to it. This thing does attract some attention. It's an old car. It's going to look dumb, I feel, with shiny spray paint with a bunch of fish eyes and shit in it, and it's just not going to look right. So what I'm doing is putting a patina paint job on it. So instead of it being all primered black, looking chalky and, you know, just overall crappy, which is how I got the car. I got the car, it was primered black. Kind of cool looking. I like the satin look, but I've done that too many times. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this is what I'm doing. We're going to go ahead and patina this thing out, make it look like it's an old paint job. That way, people should not be coming up going, oh, it's a shitty looking paint job. Well, because it is a shitty looking paint job. It's meant to be a shitty looking paint job. So what I've done, I did get my rear spoiler on, which excites me a tad bit. I've got it all sanded down. I've got it tack clothed, and we're going to get going on it. Okay, I am going to be wearing a respirator. I do have one. What I'm going to be doing first, I've got some satin black, and I am going to be going around the wheel wells and the spots where I want the patina look to go. Okay, I'm not going to paint this like I would normally paint a car. I do have to patina out the front, which has cured. So I've got some other techniques, and we'll go over those probably in a later video. But I just want to get some paint on this thing tonight, and you'll get the gist of what it's going to look like. The problem is this stuff dries incredibly slow. It's very hard to get it to where you can sand on it. So this will be a preliminary look at what it's going to be like. Once it cures a little bit more, we're going to keep playing with it, and it'll be a work in progress until I'm happy with it. I am also going to put some black racing stripes on it. That will probably be in this video. and then we'll patina those out also. So let me shut the hell up for once, and I'm going to strap the old GoPro on my head, give you a little bit of a view. Not going to make this too long of a video, but I will show you pretty much what we're gonna do, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Shit. Alright, well, obviously I've made some progress here. I did put on some racing stripes like I said I was going to. Still in the process of taping them out here in the back. But I think you're going to get the gist of what I've got going on. Lighting sucks for some dumb reason. But, you know, I guess the goal is just to make it look like old shitty paint. And somehow I think we're getting to that. Got a little bit of brown coming through, looking like some rust. Just some spots where, you know, just some blemishes and some things just that have gone wrong over the years. As far as I know, the stripes look nice and black and dark right now, but I will scuff those up and probably sand through, and then with the rest of the hood we'll add some more rust. And I mean, it's pretty much going to look pretty dark, you know, kind of like the hood or like the roof, but I don't know. Haven't touched. I've started working with this side. I still have that door to do, but that's where we're at right now. So let me keep going, and we'll see where this thing ends up. I need to feather this out, and it's just going to look like a big old car with a bunch of old ass paint on it, but hopefully it'll still look like it used to be something. You know what I mean? Like this, man, that car was probably a neat looking car back in the day. And it's new paint. So I'll be back. Okay, well, I'm sure most of you skipped through all of that wonderful painting footage. I threw that in there just because I really never do. And sometimes it's kind of cool just to see the process, I guess. I usually skip through it. But show you kind of the finished product. Like I said, what I did with these stripes, I rolled the stripes on with some rustoleum, you know, it comes in a little half-gallon thing or whatever. So I rolled that on, and then I took paint thinner and just dabbed it all over. So, you know, it gives you that worn look. I also did a little dabbing on the old Corvair badge there. But you can see that we've got kind of a rust look up here in the front. Here's the sides. You can see a little bit of rust going on there. There's Reggie trying to make his escape out the garage, but he wouldn't have a clue where to go. But I apologize that I can't give you like a full side view of this thing, but it's dark out there and you wouldn't be able to see. So this is pretty much what I've got going on. See, I used some of that brown paint just to make it look like we've got some surface rust going on there. Over there too, and then there, and then right there, and then you know, got some fake scuffs. I mean, I guess they're not fake now, they're scuffs. I went ahead and threw some stripes on the back. Reggie's still trying to think about making his escape, although he wouldn't be able to feed himself and probably come back crying. So Reggie, get back in there. And then that's what we've got for the look in the back. Just give you, I mean, I know this is not going to be everybody's cup of tea. Probably not the best rendition of a patina paint job that I could come up with, but I don't know what the hell I'm doing, and I just kind of wanted to make it look cool. Hey Reggie, get back in here, man. I don't know where you think you're going. I think the spoiler turned out pretty good. I'm actually really happy with the way this came out. Got some spots in here where it looks like some surface rust going on. I think it just, you know, I think I was able to make it look kind of cool. Got some dings and shit going on there, and a little bit of rust around the wheel wells. So as I damn near trip and fall. So I don't know. I'm thinking about putting the stripes up on the roof. Why are you focusing in on my focus on the roof? I'm thinking about putting some stripes up on the roof. The only reason I didn't is because that would have been a major pain in the butt to lay down the tape and whatever. So let me know in the comments what you think of this thing. Let me know if you think I should put the stripes up on the roof or just leave it be. I'm not exactly happy with the roof, but the great thing about this rustoleum paint is it really doesn't have any UV protection, so it will just continue to look shittier and shittier as time goes on. So there you have it. See, I got a little bit of that rust look coming through there. I know this doesn't look like real patina. I'm not. I mean, who are we kidding here? But I think it looks pretty neat. I did sand through quite a few places, so eventually, with it sitting outside, it will actually rust. And I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know. And it's my first patina job, and I'm geeked about it. I can't wait to get this thing out on the road tomorrow in the rain. So let the rusting begin. Keep in mind, this was a fairly rust-free car. There was no rust on the body whatsoever. Everything underneath is good. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching so much, and please like this video if you like it. Please, please, please like it if you actually like it. Subscribe if you want some more mediocre content. I've got the dune buggy that I need to cover up. Oh good, here's the dune buggy sitting there. That'll be a good big feature on the channel because I got a lot of stuff going on with that thing. So like I said, like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. Someday maybe I'll be like Vice Grip Garage and might find me interesting, but now I'm heating the outside. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.